Hello guys, you are watching CP Hacks and I'm happy to announce that today is the last day of our 1 week challenge session. Today is the best day that I'm going to show you a best ever trick that nobody taught you in YouTube. Okay. Actually, first let me show you the final day. So the day 1 we have seen what is CPA marketing. In the day 2 we have seen what are all the procedures are there. In day 3 we have seen how to take the niche. In day 4 we have seen how to pick the niche to the selected audience. In the day 5 we have seen the traffic source. In the day 6 we have seen the misleading traffic, and today is the day 7. We are going to see the best ever trick that anyone can do. Okay, most of the people don't know how this works. Okay, but if you learn this means definitely this is going to be your life changing moment. Okay, so let's see what is that. Okay, this is a paid thing. Okay, this is a paid ad advertisement method, but you don't want to spend a single rupees or single dollar for ads. It sounds good now. Actually, how many of you know that Google Ads are giving free $350 for your ad credit? Do you know that? Definitely no. Google are giving you free $350 to $500 for your ad credit. If you have a $5 ad credit means you can achieve a lot, but Google is giving $350 credit. What are all the things you can do? Just think about it. Advertisement is the best powerful tool for online businesses. But if you get a free $350 means what are all the things you can do? Just imagine. That's why I'm going to show you today. Okay. This method name is called as Google threshold method. This Google threshold means this it looks like this. Actually I'm from India, so my currency is rupees. Google gave me 320,000 rupees for spending to ads. Still I haven't used a single rupees because I want to show you in this YouTube, so that's why I'm not used any money for my personal use. Okay, this is the main thing. This is how a threshold account looks like. Not only CPA marketing, you can do affiliate marketing, you can do drop shipping, CPA marketing, any other online stores or any other Amazon affiliate marketing, anything you can do. Okay, this is the power of this Google threshold. Now you'll get a question that how you should get a threshold. Just search, I'll show you. Okay, how to get $350 threshold Google Ads. First, they are saying to you to sign up to Google Ads Manager, click payment, next payment schedule, edit icon, fill in the desired threshold values, then click on save. This looks like simple, but if you follow this exact method, definitely you won't get the single dollar credit also, because mainly you should need a credit card. Many people don't have a credit card or own credit card, but in this place we are not going to use our own credit card, so we are going to use a temp. Okay, temp cards. How to use this temp cards and how to take the temp cards. Okay, everything I'm going to teach you in the session. Due to some issues I can't explain each and everything in this YouTube. Okay, so you can personally message me on Instagram. I'll explain you there, and I'll teach you how to do that. Okay, so this is the thing, this is how it works. Okay, so this is the best ever thing nobody have taught you in YouTube. If you don't have a money to join with me in a private class, it's not about the money. Okay, you can just search in Google, and you can how to say, you can research on your own how to get the threshold account, how to get a $350 threshold. You can research in Google, YouTube, Telegram, Twitter, anywhere you can research and you can get, but you should know what is threshold. Please try to research about Google threshold. If you want to know how to create it, please direct me on Instagram. I'll give the link in the description. Please direct message me there. I'll explain you there. Okay, so today we have completed this CPA hacks 1 week challenge to $1,000. Okay, I think that I have made many secrets I have been revealed in the YouTube. Okay, so many people have been encouraged me, and many people have subscribed, many people have joined in my personal training also. I'm really lucky to have you guys. This journey don't have an end. We are going for a long way through in this YouTube. Okay, so always stay with me, stick on to this YouTube channel. We earn together, we work together. Okay, we achieve together. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day. Before leaving this video, please subscribe my channel, please like my channel, and share this videos those who are interested in CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. And if you have any doubts, you can personally message me in Instagram. I'll give you personal training also. If you're interested, you can join in personal training also. And I'm going to give you many free values in this YouTube channel. Okay, from tomorrow or from Monday, I'm going to give you many how to say, free values in this YouTube. Definitely it's going to be very interesting. Okay, without missing, please watch the full videos. Okay, and subscribe the channel. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.